Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be removing and replacing the valve covers on our 2015 Yukon Denali. Very simple process here. At some point, we're going to start with a 10mm socket, and it helps on an extension like this. We're going after the negative battery terminal. So we're going to go ahead and remove this. Some may say that this is not a necessary step, but this is a process I do just to make sure nothing electrical happens. We're going to come over here and you're going to push on the bottom of this tab to slide off this little hose here, and there's another one on the other side, so just push down and slide those away. Now we're going to remove all of the plugs going to our ignition coils. So what we're doing is just pulling up on the tab and then pinching. So we're going to do this on the passenger side and driver side. Okay, now we can take this cover. It's really just a fake cover that's going over the top, and it's just clipped on, so just pull directly up to pop it off, and then we can walk it forward, and we can even remove this positive crankcase ventilation tube as well. And we can just pop that up and out. So you just push on that tab, pop it off. So now we can get this fake cover out of our way. It's just a piece of plastic. Okay, now we're coming through, and basically there's another bracket here that was somewhat hidden. We're going to take that off. Okay, driver side, same thing. We're pulling the tab up, and we're pulling all of these coil pack ignition coil packs off, so just head. Next, we're going to take this hose off entirely. We're going to take a 10mm socket now, and we're going to go around the outside of the valve cover everywhere that there's a bolt. Don't worry about the coil packs themselves or the other stud there for holding that fake black cover off.
And there is a ground on the back there.
Off, but once we remove all of the outer ones only, we can pop this cover off, and now we can see our valve train. So as you can see, these are the holes. Now is a good time to inspect the gaskets that are going through here. If they're bad, just replace them, pull them out, and put the new ones in.
Okay, put our valve covers back on. We just, to tighten them down, went from the insides and then worked our way out so that the gasket was spread evenly. It's only like 5 foot-pounds, so don't over torque them. And there is a ground on the back there. So make sure that that gets on. And so we just went ahead and did that on both sides. Now we're going to go through for our coil packs. We're just going to plug all these in. And then they have the lock on the top that you push down once it's on.
Now we'll reinstall this bracket that we had taken off before. Now we'll bring back our little plastic cover that goes over the valve cover, and we'll feed our breather tube through here. It just pops straight down back onto that barb. As we position this back into place, it just has those little studs that were sticking out that this pops back onto. So just line it up and push it straight back down. We'll reinstall our breather tube just by pushing it straight on, and as we connect it back to the front of the air box, these just push on as well, so line them up and push them until they click. Now we'll reattach our negative ground cable for the battery and tighten it back down. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please check the video description. I have a playlist with a whole bunch of videos that I've done that are just like this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.